husband and wife. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. You may kiss the bride. And my privilege to introduce to you for the first time Mr. and Miss Shane Smith.
Literally all saw it.
What?
His attempt at a selfie. I caught him in the act of selfieing.
It's a movie. But I still did it.
You still did it.
Still did it.
You did it like every Asian tourist.
Yep.
I told America.